welcome back to Cracking the Code's YouTube channel. Today and this week I'm going to be showing you guys a week in my life, but it's not going to be a regular week in my life. There's going to be productive elements, and I just want to stay productive. This is not only to motivate you guys, but motivate me as well. I'm also going to be doing a coding challenge where I'm going to spend an hour or two every day coding consistently, because to be honest, I have not been doing that. Like, my motivation dropped recently to start coding, and it's my summer break, so I should probably be coding. I'm going to be taking you guys throughout my week. I hope you get motivated. If you do, please sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel to join the coder family, and let's go! So I think I'm going to do a free code camp course and just get myself to start coding again. I've been doing a lot of things, so I just want to get myself in order, take care of myself at the same time. So that's what this vlog is going to be about. I came back like an hour ago. I got my second dose for my COVID-19 vaccine. I'm Team Pfizer, so we're done with that. I'm just going to start and get my life a little organized. There's like stuff all over my room, and my room is messy, so I'm going to clean it up. Then I'm just gonna bullet journal, maybe write a reflection. Then I'm gonna start my first hour or maybe 2 hours of my coding challenge. So that is gonna be fun. So you're gonna come with me. Let's go. As you probably saw, I was doing my free code camp tutorial. The one I am doing right now is the AI machine learning TensorFlow for Python course, and yeah, I think it's super interesting. I just did 2 videos, each was like 15 minutes, so 30 minutes. I still have 30 minutes left. Now, what we learned in the first 2 videos wasn't really something I could apply much. I did try to do it in between the videos, but I'm going to just code something on the side, maybe make a game, just so that I get motivated to code. And I'm going to turn on my playlist and just jam out. Let's go.
You sit me high on a shelf. Your prized possession. Eyes are chasing me, object of protection. But then I don't smile for a little while, so you smash me down. You regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed.
Turn around, boys.
Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too. I know this feeling.
Hello everyone, I had a very successful first day. I got to code an hour, 15 minutes. I was coding like a bit of like a Spotify prototype type of thing in Python. Something just basic to get myself into, something I can work on tomorrow as well. Now time to go to day 2.
But I'm done.
Good morning and happy Wednesday. I just came back from a bike ride. Got a few things like groceries on the bike ride. But that was kind of like my workout, you can say, because that was tiring. I biked really far. But I'm gonna take a shower And I don't know what my plan is gonna be. I'm probably gonna bullet journal and then I'll tell you guys my plan for today. Alright, hello everyone. It is currently 6:35 and I have, for the past 3 hours, started to feel the effects of my second dose of vaccine. I'm just super tired and I literally cannot focus. So I think I'm gonna have to skip on the coding. What a great 7-day challenge. But I will continue tomorrow and make sure I do that. But as for now, I cannot, and I'm just chilling and watching some Demon Slayer. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. And let's go on to Thursday. Good morning, Code Crew. It is Thursday and the third day of my week in my life. All my symptoms for my vaccine are gone. I only really felt fatigue and a little bit of a headache, but like that headache went away really fast. So I'm really glad I didn't go through the bad symptoms. And now I'm going to bullet journal. I woke up at 8:15 today. I had breakfast and then I fell back asleep. So we're just gonna be productive and act like I woke up at 8:15. Let's go. I'm getting this one, the mango diamond slush. It's iconic. Can I get mango diamond slush with pearls, medium? Okay, thank you. I got a package. Progress update. So it is currently, let me see. I could have just checked my phone, but I didn't. It is almost 3 o'clock. I did some driver's test things. I took a break. I ate half a bag of chips. This productive vlog isn't going that productive, to be honest. I'm getting things done. I'm doing my coding challenge. It's just that type of week, y'all. Or month. Maybe even year. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my coding challenge. I'm gonna force myself to do it even though my motivation is literally this. And my hair is a mess, so that's gonna be fixed later. But we're gonna go do it. Let's go. Okay, so I just wrote a little reflection and I wrote down the stuff I need to do. I don't have much to do. It is my summer break, so I don't have much to do at all. Anyways, here are the things that I'm going to do today. I have 1 hour of coding that I have to do, or 2, based on my code challenge. I'm gonna vlog, which I'm already doing. I'm going to practice my G1, which is like getting your driver's license, like the paper written test. And that is basically it. That is my entire list. Tomorrow I have work, so that's why I am trying to just get stuff done today. Otherwise I would be like just chilling the entire day like I did yesterday. But yesterday I had fatigue, so I'm gonna start working. Okay, so I'm writing some of my G1 notes over here. I'm gonna make them look pretty because I haven't done that to notes in a really long time and I miss it. I'm just not going to listen to music. Like, one of my goals today is not to listen to music when I'm working, or like songs with like lyrics, because then I start singing. Like, there's no way I'm going to be doing that. And I even try to go on standing here, Good morning and happy Tuesday. It is like 12 o'clock. I just had breakfast, made some pancakes. I have a lot of small tasks and admin work today. So I'm going to be doing admin work, but first I'm going to get ready, get into the working mood because I'm pretty sure wearing sweatpants and a pajama shirt is not going to help. So let's get ready first.
I don't even know. I just can't stop thinking about it. You know, like what would have happened if I turned around and said something?
I've been waiting for a girl like you now, but I don't know if I should make a move, 'cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again.